So Paris and I have just come back from the brand new Caravan Industry Expo, highlighting all of the brand new product and innovation that is existing in the caravan industry, getting ready for 2027. But we have highlighted some absolute key players in this space, Aussie-made product that we think you should be spending your hard-earned money improving or getting ready for your brand new caravan. Let me introduce you to the products from the heavy terrain product line. Let me get started. So the first product that we fell in love with was the dust deflector system. This is a lightweight ABS. A lot of their products are centralized around the ABS construction because it's lightweight. These guys have come from a background of building caravans and they build products for the caravan industry that no one's making. It's an Aussie-made design, engineered and built by an Australian company, Heavy Terrain Products. So what do these guys do? Well, as you know, dust in the caravan industry, nightmare of a thing. Speaking of dust, these guys also make their own dust extraction system. Mounts up, fires via remote control, figures via relay, turns on, all the fancy stuff, and it keeps the van with positive air pressure, keeping the dust out. But what about those people that don't have room on the roof for a dust suppression system? Or what about those people who, maybe they just don't want something that big on their roof? And that's fine too. Have a look at it. These are dust deflectors. So what they do, wax some 3M tape, and then they stick on the outside, and the vent is behind here. So all the air that is passing, all that dust particles ready to get into your beautiful new caravan, are missing it, going out and elevate up like a scoop on a car. Super easy and different sizes. So you'd pop this one, for instance, over your door. You'd pop this one over your bedroom vent. You'd pop this one over your microwave vent. It's keeping dust out of your van, and the reality is, why wouldn't you want a clean, dust-free caravan and support an Australian business at the same time? Jump onto their website, have a look at those things, and let me show you the next thing that I loved. Super simple, but super effective. We, at Crusader, we give away these little bags. Pop your shower head in there, wrap them up in a towel, put it in a basket, have a crack, gamble it, let it fly around. Who knows? What are we talking about? Not what you think. The shower head, baby. This little shower head is normally just sort of hanging. You pop it in a bag, swings around, just like that. You got your shower head sort of, hose banging about. And it's, over a long duration, fiberglass, alloy panel, whatever the van's made of, it's gonna, cause wear and tear. This guy, meet HTP. This just locks in. Don't need to explain any more than that. Off the ground, out of the way, where are you gonna go? My eyes are up here. So if you want some of these little Duvalakis to pop on your van to keep it dust free, if you wanna investigate your options with dust suppression, you need to support heavyterrainproducts.com.au. Head to the website, jump in, pop a few in the cart, posting anywhere in Australia. These guys can get it off to you for your van, keeping it clean, tidy, and keeping Australian business absolutely booming and supporting Australian companies. Or, hey, just buy a new Crusader caravan. Head to our website, www.crusadercaravansmelbourne.com.au. Call us 03 9359 2938 or email hello@crusadermelbourne.com. Like, subscribe, see what else we have to offer, view the channel, and invest in Australian manufacturing and design. We'll see you there, guys.